with a walking surface that has a running slope greater than 5% is considered a ramp. So it's no longer a walking surface. So running slope 0 to 5% is a walking surface. Running slope from 5.1 to 8.33 is a ramp. More than 8.33 is a violation with exceptions. And the cross slope always 2%, whether it's walking surface or ramp. And here are the exceptions. Steeper than 1 in 10, but not steeper than 1 in 8. So 10% to 12.5 for 3 inches. And 8.33 to 10% for 6 inches. More than 1 in 8, more than 12.5% is prohibited. Changes in level other than the running slope and cross slopes are not permitted on ramp runs. The clear width of ramp runs and where handrails are provided, the clear width between handrails shall be 36 inches minimum. Exception within employee areas, if there's an essential part of the equipment in the employer, it can reduce it, but only there.